Empower educators and students with Examarius online test system. Welcome to the video guide showing how our online test system works. To make the process secure and smooth, we have created 3 different panels for admins, examiners, and students. Now let's shift our focus to the examiner module. From the dashboard panel, examiners can view and manage the status, date, and number of questions in the tests. On the right-hand side, you can also keep track of the results of student answers that need to be checked or that have already been checked. Filtering allows you to easily sort data by criteria such as test status to check checked, test name, student name, date of results, and marks. With the 3-dot action bar, you can take any action on a ready-made test, edit, rename, copy an existing test, delete any test, or distribute it to students by sharing. Now we get to the most helpful part of this module, Test Builder. Here are the things you can do as an examiner. Let's create some new test. Click on Create New Test and see the workspace for building a customized test. The left-hand side of the screen displays a list of controls, the test creation area for questions and answers, and the content area with a list of previously created questions for this test. Controls are divided for use in the questions or answers area and marked accordingly with pictograms. Adding the required control is a breeze. Just drag and drop it into the area. Now let's take a closer look at the list. Question area may contain table with up to 10 cells and headers, YouTube video, carousel or a single picture, text field with up to 500 words. Here, the examiner can also mix and match these controls to make clear and detailed questions. Let's explore components for the answer area. Radio buttons with single correct answer and options displayed as pictures or in a table format. Checkboxes. Select multiple options with choices presented as pictures or in a table. Development environment. Insert code written in JavaScript or Python and view the output of running code. Drop-down list. Pre-assigned SQL operators for selection. Sorting. Arrange variants by dragging and dropping them into the correct sequence. Once all the questions have been created, you can set a timer to limit the amount of time a student can take the test. The default time limit is 1 hour. Then click Save Test. Give the test a name and click here. The ready-made test is displayed in the examiner's dashboard, waiting to be shared to students. Have you completed your test but realized you need to make a few tweaks? No problem. Simply click on the menu with 3 dots and select Edit from the drop-down. Now, you're back in the Test Builder, where you can modify any part of your test content with ease. Make your changes and hit Save. Remember, you can edit your test anytime before it's shared with students. Each examiner can share a test with a group of students or a single student. Let's try. Select the class and students to share the test. Specify the date and time when the test will be available to take and the time allowed to pass. And click Share Test. Done! This test status has changed to Sent for Pass. This is how students see the test they have been assigned in their accounts. Find out more about the student module in the description of this video tutorial. As an examiner, your expertise doesn't end at creating tests. It extends to the crucial task of reviewing them. Start by using the filter on the dashboard to sort the tests you have to check. Select a test and dive into the details. Our system is designed to assist you by automatically checking the answers. Watch as it highlights correct answers in green, partially correct in yellow, and incorrect in red. More complex answers, such as spreadsheets, diagrams, and text, require manual review and scoring. Each question is assigned a difficulty mark from 1 to 10 based on its complexity. You have the power to change the mark or add a personal touch with a comment. Notice how the total score dynamically updates as you progress through the checking. When you are finished, the result is displayed on the right-hand side of the dashboard. And just like that, students get their results visible on their own dashboard. On the student panel, you can find the lists of the classes and the students in them, the student information, and the tests that each student received. Suppose you want to find a student named Alex Murphy. Just enter the name in the search bar and you'll see all relevant information. And if you have to add a new student to Class 1, it's no problem. Just like the admin, the examiner can easily add new students or update classes by uploading a CSV file. To get a full picture of student performance, you can download a PDF report of all student tests, their results, and average mark. And if you're an admin, you can do the same. Access and download reports to keep track of student progress. This is how our online test system works. Watch the videos in the description below to explore other software modules. Plus, it's customizable to meet your specific needs. Just tell us and we'll make it happen. Unlock the power of Examarius. Get started now.